Hey, what's good, guys? Today I'm going to be debunking the cheating accusations. On my most recent video,
Hey, what's good, guys?
all the comments are just filled with legendary hacker. Imagine hacking on a main account, bot, and N. This guy cheats in gold lobbies, by the way. And I had no idea what they meant when I first read the comments, because I didn't know. Someone just offered to boost my account for free, and of course I didn't trust him. So I actually blocked him already, so I'm just gonna unblock him for the sake of this video. Yeah, this guy. Send a message. This guy was the one offering to boost my account for free. So I'm just gonna scroll all the way to the top. And basically it just said all this. No exploits involved. And I didn't trust him and said, okay, but no scam hack. And I don't hack accounts. So I just basically trusted him. And he also said as well, I don't hack accounts. Gave him all this stuff. I already changed the password. So I did not know. I trusted him all this, and I just let him grind. He wanted out his friends, so I just did it for him, and he just grinded, and he said I was very plat, and I gave him the ult account and everything, and said I was plat, so I was happy and stuff. But I started spectating him, because I have him friended on my ult account. I just have my main friend on my ult account, and he's using my main, so I just spectated him to see how he plays and stuff, because I want to learn from him. And I just realized he's using Yuzi, duo queuing with a Whisper, and hacking on my account. So I didn't even know this guy's hacking, because this guy said he wasn't hacking everything. Of course, I fell for that scam thing. And he's just trying to say I'm not visual bugging Yuzi, and he's just literally flying and jumping. I don't have any footage. He's just saying easy and chow, so he's just hacking. He says a bug, it's not a bug, and I'm just saying stop ranking on my account, plat 3 is fine. I just thought I'm gonna get banned. I fully do not deserve plat 3, but it just wasn't me, so it was this guy, and you should just ban him, just ban them. It was not me. I can show my match history as well. It was him and some Noel Whisper. And it just wasn't me. It was this guy on my account. I did not know. It's safe now. I changed my password and everything. And it's just not me hacking. It's this guy. I trusted him, and he just started hacking. So yeah, I'm gonna show my match history real quick. Alright, so this is my match history. These are the matches I played with my other friend after I kicked the hacker off his account. These are all the games he played. He got a freaking, I think 9 win streak. Yeah, 9 win streak. And platinum 3. But he was just hacking the whole time. This is the match I spectated. He just flying around, got to bed, kills, final kills. And I think he was just queuing with this Noel or Whisper every game. Hold on. Yeah, this Noel again. This Noel again. And it's just hacking. I did not know anything. Just hacking the whole time. So I don't think this is my fault. It might be because I trusted him. But I don't really know what to do, because I don't know if devs are going to ban me, ban him. I'm just here to say it was not me hacking. It was someone boosting on my account, offering me for free. And he just started hacking, stole my ult account, and it's not me hacking. Hope you guys can understand. It's the first time something happened, so I don't really know how to explain it. I can show everything on my desktop for any hacks. No, these are my downloads, so even if I download some hacks, it would show up here. There's nothing, just auto clicker I use sometimes, or AFK. Pictures of my video stuff, thumbnails, music, and no hacks anywhere. Documents just Roblox, open it, all this random stuff. Screenshots of Discord stuff, and I'm at Log Lobby. No hacks in my applications. This is some random Apple app. If you think it's hacks, this is Android thingy. So I'm gonna play Android games on here. And none of these are hacks. Recent stuff, Ragnar, wall, some glitch or whatever. It's not a glitch, but red text and it's not sending to anybody. This is my schedule for school. Tier 4 generator thingy I sent to my friend because he didn't believe. And hacker. I mean, not hacker. This is a region Roblox. I beat them. And this is hacker username. So, no hacks, nothing. Just this guy boosting on my account for free. I don't even know. Just kid is just flying and hacking. So, yeah. It's gonna be it for today's video. Hope no one thinks I'm hacking anymore. And I don't really know what to do, so peace.